5 ways to create your own wealth. What is wealth? Wealth is more than money, and it means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. The dictionary definition of wealth, on the other hand, is an abundance of valuable assets, resources, or valuable material possessions. Whether you're talking about financial wealth or not, the true meaning of wealth is the freedom to make decisions. We all want what's best for us and our family, and the simplest way to do that is to ensure financial stability. This explains why nearly everyone is on a mad dash for the cash. Because wealth is power, the more wealth we accumulate, the more power we have to purchase whatever it is that we want in life. It has the power to make our lives, and the lives of those around us, so much easier and better. However, despite the fact that we all share the confidence and zeal to become wealthy, most of us end up empty-handed with empty dreams, full of frustration and disappointments. Unfortunately, most people from across the world have never received a good financial education in school or at home, so they don't know what steps they should be taking to achieve their definition of wealthy. If you're still fantasizing about becoming wealthy, but you're still doing nothing about it, you need to wake up to achieve your goals. That's why today, I'll show you 5 ways to create your own wealth. Steps to take on your way to wealth creation. The 5th way. Save your money wisely. I know this sounds cliche, but it still ranks first, because saving is the first step toward wealth creation. In reality, if a household plans and monitors spending, it will feel wealthier, less pressured, and is in a better position to achieve its goals. You will never generate wealth if you are currently living beyond your means and have no more money to put to work for you. A lot of brokerage ads filled with sailboats, worldly vacations, and other alluring ways of using and enjoying money create a false myth about the way people think about wealth, retirement, and spending. It's further propagated by illusions of wealth, which is the allure of a better, different lifestyle. The problem with this illusion is that it causes your limited resources to be directed toward the lifestyle that you want, rather than building the wealth that you would need for that lifestyle. If you want to build real wealth, start spending less than what you can afford in order to invest what is left for the future. The 4th way. Investments. Another old wealth creation rule that hasn't changed in a long time says that saving money isn't enough. You also need to invest your monthly savings based on your financial capabilities. Contrary to common opinion, you don't need to have a lot of money in your bank account to get started. Some investment applications even let you invest your spare change. For most people, however, investing sounds alien and really scary, and they would rather just sit it out rather than losing everything, as said in a recent study by GoBankingRates.com. Investing is a means to a happier ending. Investing is a means to a happier ending. It includes the purchase of bonds, stocks, or real estate property for most people. 43% of those who answered the study, aged 25 to 34, said they weren't investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. They cited familiar reasons for not investing was that they didn't feel like they had enough money to invest to begin with. They were afraid of losing money if the stock market were to crash, or they found investing to be too complicated and intimidating. However, by sitting out on those opportunities, they're foregoing 2 of the most powerful forces in building a lot of wealth through investment, which is time and building up interest. Following the crowd does not lead to wealth. The 3rd way. Educate yourself. It is always something smart to do, to invest in your education, because knowledge is power. A power that is a lifelong currency that will not depreciate or disappear. Knowledge is reliability in any profession. It is important to constantly learn and never stop seeking to improve your skills. Self-development will add value to your work. Therefore, your work will be valued more expensively. Would you like to be more successful in your work? Then education is the best option for you, because educational development will allow you to think outside the box and open new horizons. If you want to be more successful in your work, learning and training is the best option for you. Use your wealth in a wiser way, and one of the best ways you can use your wealth is to get a better future for your finances. Invest in your knowledge and start using your wealth in a wiser way. Before we continue any deeper on the 5 ways to create wealth, please make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Turn the notification bell on to be informed of all of our latest video releases and give it a huge thumbs up. If you feel like leaving a comment below, we'd love to hear what you have to say. If you've loved the video thus far, and tell us how you found this video interesting and informative. Let's get back to it, shall we? The second way. Make use of and apply leverage. Leveraging is an investment technique that involves leveraging borrowed money, specifically various financial institutions or borrowed cash, to boost an investment's potential return. It is the basic success factor that develops wealth that investors utilize leverage to boost their buying power in the market. By employing resources other than your own, leverage allows you to develop greater money than you could ever attain on your own. It also helps you to grow wealth without being constrained by your own personal constraints. You might use a variety of leverages, as financial leverage is the use of borrowed money to get possession of a larger amount of assets, causing the returns on your cash investment to be increased merely by using other people's money, allowing you to avoid being limited by your own wallet time. Time leverage refers to attaining the greatest result with the least amount of effort. It's all about simplifying and finding the quickest path to the desired outcome. Make use of other people's resources and relationships to broaden your knowledge beyond your own. Having access to other people's skills, knowledge, and experience so that you can make use of more knowledge than you will ever have. Use other people's time to avoid being bound by your 24-hour-a-day processes and technologies. When you've decided on your goals and what you want to accomplish, consider how you can use technology to free up more time and increase your reach and effect. Using other people's methods and technologies to free up time so you can get more done with less effort is the ultimate way to save time. Finally, the first way is know what you want. The number one reason most people don't get what they want is that they don't know what they want, according to writer and self-made millionaire T. Harv Eker. Since no one can build a business without a business plan, building your own wealth should be no different. Therefore, making a financial plan for yourself is critical. A financial plan includes your current financial condition, along with long-term financial goals and tactics for achieving those goals. You can do it on your own or with the assistance of a professional financial planner. Work with your money like a company would, because that's precisely what it is, a personal financial management company. True wealth and true financial freedom come from having the financial security and peace of mind. To live a full life, you must actively work to improve your financial wealth. If you love similar content, don't forget to take a look at my other videos. Please remember to smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be informed when we release another video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. If you are having difficulties with the information in this video, make sure you don't miss anything by watching the video again for more information. You can bookmark and save it to your playlist or watch it later. Stay tuned for future videos.